I'm going to change the font in this set text here. So I'm going to highlight the text, so we can use Control or Command A to select it all. And we can see the font over here as being chosen as selected as Arial. I can come into the down here and you can see all the fonts that I've got available to me. The ones at the top here are my most used. So if I change to Century Gothic, this is how the font changes. If I change to Impact, this is how the font changes. You want to make your font easily readable. I like Century Gothic. There we go. And then we can change the font size in here. So we can change the font size and click on here and change it any size I like. 18 looks like this. Or we could make it, about 10 point, which makes it more text to the page. But I had it at 14 point, I think, before. Now, you can also add more fonts. So we click on more fonts in here, and you can scroll down through here and look at the fonts that you want. So if you wanted to look at something as scripts or show all fonts or sort by popularity, so we want just all scripts, show all fonts, display. It gives you some good ones to look at here. And so if you wanted this a Carta 1, click OK and click OK. And Carta 1 has now been added to my font list. You'll see it down here, so it will always be there for me. So you can change your fonts by selecting the fonts that you've already got, or you can search for more fonts by clicking on more fonts here.